So we got this Cut-Luke's knife for slicing. It's supposed to be really good for slicing up meat that has been cooked. I got a nice little tri-tip here to see how well it works. It comes in this wonderful box. Let's see, so you have to take out the box. Yeah, I mean, it's supposed to be a special knife because all this stuff, right? Well, that's why we're gonna here test it. You open it up, has a little information booklet, a little, polishing cloth, and some other stuff in here. So it's got a lot of stuff on it. The knife itself comes in this little sheath. Now, one thing I will say, I have used this knife a little bit, and this blade is really sharp. The first time I washed the knife, I cut my finger trying to clean off that blade. So let's take a look at how well this knife cuts through one of my favorite cuts of meat, the tri-tip. So first, gonna have to cut it with the grain. And you know, it wouldn't be good if I just cut using this knife because it's supposed to cut really well and you have no comparison. So let's start off with, well, let's go with this one. This was another knife that I've been using a lot. I had a long one like this, a really long one, which I used for cutting meat. Problem was it broke, so I was in the market for a new one, so that's why we got the new one. And you can see it does a fine job, pretty decent job cutting through there. Let's go through. This is my favorite one for cutting through raw meats. See how it does on cooked meat. Well, not so well. I'm not surprised. It's not very good at cutting vegetables either. So you can kind of get a feeling of how these knives work. This is my favorite all-arounder knife that I used to cut through vegetables all the time. I recently sharpened it. Ooh, that's pretty good. So far, this one's really nice, right? Look at that. Look at that cut. Okay, that's pretty good. But you know what? We got this for a reason. It's supposed to be really sharp. It's supposed to cut like butter, I'm going to say. Let's see. I'll give you my honest opinion. Wow. I'm going to say, right out of the box, without sharpening ever, this is a smooth knife. Cuts beautifully. So yeah, if you're looking for a good carving knife, and you want to just like slice it through your meat really thin, really easily, oh my, this is the knife you want to get. Look at this, it's just effortless. It's like right through the tri-tip. You saw my other knives that I like to use. And I even sharpened that really big one a while ago. I mean, I'm like a couple weeks ago. I even sharpened it a couple weeks ago. And yet, this new out-of-the-box Cut-Luke's Artisan knife by far is the best meat cutter I have seen. So take that as you will, and I hope you have seen a good demonstration of what this knife looks like. And if you like the looks of this one, even though it's a 12 inch, it's huge, it cuts all your meats, it'll do a very fine job.